Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a dot progress chart in Excel. If you see, we have 45% written over here and we have the progress shown over here. If we go here and change the percentage, for example 65, the chart automatically updates. If you see, this progress is in a dot shaped fashion and in a circle. If you put it as 100%, the entire circle is highlighted. If you put it as 5%, a very small portion of the dots is shown. So let's see how to create this chart in Excel. In percent, you need to write your percent. In remaining, you need to put 1 minus this percent value over here and you get it as 35. The first step is you go to insert and you insert a oval shape. Use the shift button and start drawing your circle. If you don't press shift and drag your circle, it will come in an oval shape and not a perfect circle. The next step is go to format shape, in fill, say no fill. In line, give it a solid line and give it the color you require. In the width, put the width which you require. For example, I am putting it as 11 points. Then in the dash type which you see here, select the second one which is there. And in the cap type, select round. So if you see, we have got a complete circle and the border of the circle is small dots. Now copy this chart of yours, copy the shape of yours and kind of reduce the circle. Use shift and drag it and reduce it and put it in the center. In the format shape, in the dash type, select a solid line and in the width just reduce the size of the circle. Just use shift and align it properly. Select both these charts. In shape format, go to align and do align center. And let us just adjust it a little bit more. So you need to do a little adjusting. Now once again copy the inside circle, use the shift and make another circle in the center. And for this circle, in the solid fill, select the same color, which is the purple. So currently what we have done is we have made 3 circles over here. One is a dotted circle around, then we have a solid circle with just the borders, and then we have a circle inside in which the fill is also purple. Now just go and insert a text box inside this circle. Link, just a minute, not to type it, link this percentage to this percentage and adjust it, increase your font and put it in white color, and the shape format, put the fill as no fill and the outline as no outline. So we have completed the first part. The next part is select your data, insert and insert a donut chart. Remove the chart title, remove the legend, select the series and say no line. Now if you see, this blue portion over here is the filled portion. That is our percentage, that is the 65%, and the orange portion is the remaining, which is the 35. So what you need to do is this orange portion which is there, you need to give it a solid fill and you need to give it a white. And Then what you need to do is select your chart, go to format and say no fill to the shape fill. So what you have done is in the shape we have with the shape, which means the chart, we have not given a background. So you see there is a transparency associated. And the 35% series which was there, we have given it in white color. Next, go and adjust your circle on top of this which you have created. So you need to do a little practice to adjust it and get your proper alignment. So I'm just doing that here. Now this blue portion which is there, you need to select it and say no fill. So if you see, we are getting our chart completely over here. You need to do a little adjusting to get the proper alignment of the chart with the circles and the dots. So let me just do that. It may take some alignment of all the circles and the charts to get this perfect representation of your dot progress chart. So just try aligning it and see which is the best fit. I have also changed the font of the data label. Let us try changing the values. 75%, 100%, 15%. So you see this chart automatically updates. So this is what we mean by a dot progress chart, where the progress of the percentages is shown by dots in a circle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.